Yeah, what go?
Yeah, may I look for juicy beef.
Juicy beef?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, a simple thing that, man. Which direction you come from?
You know, so somewhere I come from.
Well, so?
Back so.
Back so?
Yes.
Alright. Well, if I saw you come from, then I easier way that. So a simple thing. You're going to go half mile up the road, see?
Yes.
You're going to see the first left turn.
Yes.
You're not going to take that.
Okay.
And then you're going to see the second right one. You're not going to take the right one.
Right.
See? And then you're going to go up to a crossroad.
Yes.
So when you reach up at a crossroad,
Yeah.
you done last. So I hope you see for them in that time.
Okay, so I'm not the guy crossroad then.
No man, we ain't up at a crossroad.
I'm enough to take the first left.
Oh, you get first left next spot.
You're confused. Yes, I'm enough. Go again.
You're not going up this one at all. You're going to go straight. And take the first bend.
Quarter mile up the road.
Half mile.
Half mile, yes.
Take the first bend.
Right.
When you take the first bend, you're going to book up on school.
What you call it, Benny? Corner or the...
The corner, man.
Alright.
You're going to meet comprehensive school.
Yeah.
And I don't get so juicy beef then, none at all. Juicy beef then in the next direction. So if you're there, don't get so, you need to go over the next direction. That's about one next 5 minutes drive. Right? First you're going to come up on our police station. 5 minutes up the road.
Understand. Hold on. But they tell me all right things with juicy beef. They but more I know which part juicy beef next.
Stop in there, let me take. I'm Portland I come from?
No, not really, you know.
Alright, I'm me a director because I'm me come from Portland. You see me, sir? Me come from Portland. You come from Portland?
Yes.
And me come from Portland. You see me, sir?
Yeah.
A long time I born and grew up, sir. You see when time, then they just have the school right around the road, sir. When they Compre. Me used to go to school then.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
And then me cousin got to school there.
Yeah.
See? And then after she left, because she did get one scholarship and got England.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
And then,
Yeah.
hold on now, let me get the whole thing. After she got England, she married to a brother up there named Louis. See?
Yeah.
But Louis, most people that deal with Louis are come my family still. Because you see Louis is a brother like this. This is a man who does all want call you up and he might go on like
yeah,
say.
I understand, but hear me I say, I the party place no really want, man. I know all about Louis or something. If I can't find the party place.
Oh. You know what I say the party place move?